It is still smoky. It is still warmer than average, and the weather pattern is only slowly evolving here. So, again, to go back to what I was talking about in first weather, will we see smoke improvement? A lot of that actually has to do with firefighting and containment efforts at the sources of the smoke. That being said, northwest winds will continue. In fact, they could even increase in the upcoming forecast. That has a couple of changes. One, it will transport the smoke here faster, but it will likely also mix it more broadly because right now the winds have not been particularly strong, but increasing winds will change all that. Okay, be on KSBY, your photos today. Let's take a look at those. Neil Walker, this is a view of the sunrise. Can you believe it? Look at that. So orange. Again, all that particulate matter filters out the blue light first, and then the longer wavelengths make it through. And that's why everything looks so orange. Marie Larson assures me there's an ocean out there somewhere. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram use that hashtag be on KSBY, and always check out pictures by others. You get to see a full arrangement of all of this. And on top of that, if you head over to my fan page, much more value added content there every single day. Okay, it's still 95 in Paso Robles and 97 for us in Atascadero. But look at the coast. Just 64 at Los Osos, 65 Lompoc, 73 in San Luis, 83 Santa Ynez, 75 in Santa Barbara. There's some onshore wind, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Has it gotten less muggy? Yes, in Paso Robles, that's definitely true. The 54 in San Luis and Santa Maria, those are fairly garden variety dew points. Dew point is just a measure of mugginess. When you see that 65 in Santa Barbara, that's legitimately muggy. There's a reason for that. We'll talk about that coming up. Daytime highs today, 90 in SLO, not a record. 98 in Paso Robles, not a record. In fact, 93 is an average temperature, so kind of in the ballpark. 91 in Santa Barbara, though, that's a record by one, and that record has stood since 1930, that 90-degree record there. 97 in Cuyama today, warm. Santa Ynez 93. Hourly for Pismo Beach tomorrow. So it's going to be a mixture of some low clouds and also a lot of smoky haze. You can see how those temperatures getting back up into the lower 70s in Goleta, working to about 80 degrees. We're going to have a mixture of a little bit of low cloud cover, some mid-level muggy clouds as well, and just smoke haze hanging over the area. San Luis Obispo, winds 10 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon with daytime highs getting into the 90s before backing off. Arroyo Grande temperatures into the 70s. And by the way, many more, countless more hour by hour forecast can be found on my KSBY microclimate app, free for your device at the App Store. Paso Robles is going to be near 100 again tomorrow with winds out of the northwest in the afternoon. Air quality warning continues through Friday afternoon for San Luis Obispo County and Santa Barbara County as well. It just doesn't show up on that map because of the way that they issue the advisory. Heat advisory through 10 p.m. Friday, but you'll note that's for the interior of Santa Barbara County, SLO County valleys, but not North County. Interesting. Beating the heat at the coast, that'll continue to be the place to do it, upper 60s and low 70s through the upcoming weekend. That's Genevieve, now a Category 1 hurricane. But there you can see some of that shower and thunderstorm activity trying to sneak into California. I misspoke there. It is a tropical storm. It will weaken off of the coast of California, but some of the leftovers could sneak up in here, could produce showers and thunderstorms as we get into next week. But the big story is the ridge of high pressure is collapsing, and so will the temperatures. Tomorrow, though, just a little, 90 to 98 degrees San Luis up to Paso, 79 Santa Maria, 87 Santa Barbara, 97 Santa Ynez, 98 Cuyama. 5 cities temperatures in the 70s, North Coast in the upper 60s and low 70s, and 80s through the weekend. That's not too bad, not extremely hot. And then we're basically leveling off. In fact, in Paso Robles, we go below average by Sunday.